Hello and welcome to a very special location. I'm here in one of the world's greatest wonders, the Table Mountain National Park, and I'm here for a very special reason. I was just given this, the all-new Huawei P20 Pro smartphone, a phone which has 3 cameras and ultimately is built for the photographer in all of us. So let's choose a spot here, quickly take it out the box, see what comes inside, and apart from this, jump in to a little bit of photography and some shooting, as well as see what makes this phone so very revolutionary. First things first, when you open the box here, you are greeted with the device itself. And I think it'll jump at you immediately. It's a gorgeous looking thing. It's got this mirrored style back finish, available in different colors, as well as this large, very vibrant display. But let's put the phone aside for a second, see what else comes in here. We get a quick start guide, some pin ejection tool. You get your standard kind of stuff. A big wall power brick used for charging. You get an adapter here, which is a USB Type-C to 3.5mm audio jack. And of course you get a standard USB Type-C sync charge cable, as well as a nice nifty in-ear white set of earphones. So pretty stock standard out the box, but overall packaged really well. High quality, attention to detail. I think what's most important though is to put this box down for a second and jump into this, the gorgeous looking device itself, the new P20 Pro. Now, as we're in a very special spot based up here in the clouds with the wind blowing overhead and ultimately on this national park, I've chosen to show you some of the key features of this, the all new P20 Pro. To start off, the device itself. What does it weigh? It weighs in at 180 grams. You find that it offers a very big body, but yet it manages to pack it very compact way thanks to its edge-to-edge display with this notch style design. It's 6.1 inches across and measures in at a whopping 408 ppi pixel density. So you find it's a very vibrant screen, very easy to see in light, and ultimately very eye-popping and sharp, which is great, especially when you factor in it's got the Leica dual lens camera at the back. We're talking 40 megapixels and able to shoot 4K video. It'll also do 1080p at 60 frames a second. Powering this monster of a phone, you get a serious internal processing unit. It's all firstly Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and it has a high silicon Chiron 970 chipset. It's got an octa-core processor in here, and you're looking at a Mali G72 MP12 GPU. So serious graphic power, and ultimately it shows when you look at some of the media it creates. The photos that it takes simply pop, as do playing games on the device and ultimately all multimedia aspects. With a non-user removable 4000 mAh battery, the P20 Pro promises some serious performance, and I know I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I'm already finding that I'm getting serious performance out of the battery, easily a day and a half, even up to 2 days, depending on how heavily you use it, and that's really impressive when you consider the kind of performance which it packs. So ultimately, how do you end off this discussion up here in the beautiful Table Mountain National Park? Well, this Huawei P20 Pro is giving me a similar experience to what I've had in all the other P and Mate series devices. It packs beautiful external finish, quality and build. It packs serious internals and an eye-popping camera, and it does all of this in what is a compact, elegant body. It's all in keeping with where this brand is going. Huawei has already climbed from position 3 as a global smartphone leader to position 2, and their aim is quite soon to be the #1 top dog. I think if they keep building devices like these, they're certainly going to get there very quickly. From me, Jason of Technobock, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.
Technobock.